Good morning, students. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss the lesson number 7, that is how are things measured. How are things measured? So, you know that every single thing, okay, to measure every single thing, you need a unit. You need a particular unit. So, in this lesson, we will study first about the measurement of length. Measurement of length, and then measurement of volume, measurement of volume, next measurement of weight, measurement of weight, next measurement of time, measurement of time, next measurement of temperature, last one. Measurement of temperature. Okay, so this all of this topic we will discuss in today's class about the measurement of length, measurement of volume, measurement of weight, measurement of time, and measurement of temperature. So already we have discussed all of these in the classes, but today we are going to just revise whatever we have studied. Okay. So first you know that we need to measure many things in our daily life. Of course, we need to measure many things in our life. We need to measure a cloth, we need to measure our temperature, we need to measure the water, the milk, we need to measure our weight. So like this, we need to measure almost everything in our daily life. So for that purpose, not to measure a particular thing, we need some of the different and special units. Okay, so let's study first about the measurement of length. You know that length tells us how a long thing is. In early times, people use their body parts as a unit to measure the length of an object. Of course, we need to measure, say, length. The length tells us about the how long a thing is. Okay, so if you are taking, for example, this duster, you need to measure this length. Of course, so you need to measure the length of this duster. So what you need? You need maybe a scale or a tape to measure its length. But in earlier times, people used to use their body to measure the length. For example, to measure this length, they use their body or their fingers to use how much the length of this duster. Like that, for example, they use it their cubit, stride, hand span, foot span. Okay, so they use their various body parts to use the length to measure the length. Okay, but in these days people are using the unit to measure the length like meter and centimeter. Meter, centimeter. Okay, so this meter is written as m and the centimeter is written as cm. Andre cm andre c is centi, m is meter. Okay, and also one more step, that is millimeter. Millimeter, that is written as mm, millimeter. Okay, so basically to measure the length we use various of units like m, meter, cm, centimeter, mm, millimeter. Okay, so yes, this is about some measurement of length. And 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, and 100 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. Keep it in your mind, okay? 100 centimeter andre 1 meter, 10 millimeter andre 1 centimeter, okay? And that's how we measure the length in millimeter, in centimeter, in millimeter, in meter, okay? So that is about the measurement of length. Next, let's study about the measurement of volume. Okay, so you know that to measure the volume, the space occupied by a substance. Of course, volume ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ measured in liter, okay, and also in milliliter. This liter is written as L, this milliliter is written as ml. M andre liter, milli, L andre liter. Okay, so the volume, it can be anything, okay, it can be solid, it can be liquid, of course. So ಅದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಲಿಲೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so that is something about the measurement of volume. Now next one is measurement of weight. So weight tells us how heavy or light an object. Weight ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ weight ತೂಕ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು weight ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ. Okay, and that is measured in grams and kilograms. Gram and kilogram. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ನಾವು weight ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ is written as G and this kilogram is written as kg. G ಅಂದ್ರೆ kilo, G ಅಂದ್ರೆ gram. Okay, so we measure the weight in grams and kilograms, and you know light weights are measured in milligrams as well. Milligrams ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಲೈಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇನು, ಎಸ್, ಸೊ milligrams, the light weights are written in milligrams like mg, let's call it m is milli, g is gram. ಬಹಳ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಮಿಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ is measured in milligrams. Bangara, of course it is very costly, gold is, and of course very rare people purchase the gold, so that gold is measured in milligrams. Okay, and that's something about the measurement of weight. Next, measurement of time. So time is measured by using a clock. Of course the time is measured by using a clock. I am writing here, usually clock or watch. ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೈ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕುವಂತ ವಾಚ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್. ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್. Is it? We measure the time in seconds, minutes and hours. 60 seconds andre 1 minute, 60 minutes andre 1 hour. Understood? So mainly we measure time in 3 units, that is in seconds, minutes and hours. And there are 24 hours in a day. Of course one dindaga ಎಷ್ಟು hours ಇರ್ತಾವು, 24 hours ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಹೌದಾ? And each hour is made of 60 minutes. 1 hour andre ಎಷ್ಟು, 60 minutes. Next 1 minute andre 60 seconds. Okay, just keep it in mind, it's very important. Okay, so this is something about the measurement of time. So usually we measure the time by using a clock or a watch, and it is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. So there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, that is something about measurement of time. Now the last one, that is measurement of temperature. Measurement of temperature. So temperature is measured how hot or cold object is. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಾರಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಐತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, ಇದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, so we measure the temperature of body using a thermometer. ಏನು thermometer ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನ measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so there are some different thermometers. To measure the body temperature, there is a different thermometer, and to measure the room temperature, there is a particular thermometer. Okay, and temperature is measured in degree or Fahrenheit. Okay, ಏನು ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಅವರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ 37 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ 37 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 98.6 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 37 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ 98.6 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ರೂಮ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ measures temperatures from -40 degree Celsius to -40 degree Celsius to 3 degree Celsius. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ -40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ 50 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, so that's about the measurement of temperature. Okay, so see here, first measurement of length, and we measure the length in meters, centimeters and millimeters. Usually meter is written as m, centimeter is written as cm, millimeter is written as mm. Okay, and in earlier days people used to measure the length by using their body parts. And measurement of volume, usually the volume is measured in liters and milliliters, and liter is written as L and milliliter is written as ml. If the given volume is in liquid, then you can measure the volume in liters and milliliters. Next, measurement of weight. Usually we check the weight or we measure the weight in grams, kilograms and milligrams as well as. Okay, and this gram is written as G, this kilogram is written as kg, this milligram is written as mg. Usually the expensive materials like gold is measured in milligrams. Okay, and next, measurement of time. We measure the time. We measure the time by using a clock or a watch, and also we measure the time in seconds, minutes and hours. There are 24 hours in a day, and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Next, measurement of temperature. To measure the temperature, we use a unit called thermometer. Whether it is a body temperature or a room temperature, there are different thermometers for both. Okay, so normally our room temperature is -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and a normal our body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. If you convert this 37 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, it will become 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. And to measure the temperature, we use 2 units, whether degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so that is the revision for lesson number 7, how are things measured. And they have given question and answers. Already I have sent you all of these question answers in a PDF form in your WhatsApp. Just go through it if you have any doubts. And yes, here the whole syllabus is completed as well as the revision is finished in today's class. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. And of course, until then, read properly. Thank you.